Allergy relief, homeopathy, and weather changes. Are weather changes crippling your allergies? Discover natural relief with homeopathy. Say goodbye to seasonal discomfort and hello to holistic healing. With personalized consultation, we target the root causes of your allergies. No more reliance on temporary fixes. Embrace a solution tailored to you. Join the thousands finding relief. Experience the power of homeopathy today. Let's conquer allergies together. Share and spread the word. Get relief from allergies with homeopathy. Contact us now.